Hello friends, welcome to Secret of Electronics. In this video, we will learn how to burn the bootloader and upload code to the Atmega328P microcontroller using a Arduino Nano board. In this circuit, you can see a 16 MHz crystal oscillator connected between the XTL1 and XTL2 pins of the Atmega328P microcontroller and two 220 picofarad ceramic disc capacitors connected between ground and the XTL1 and XTL2 pins of the Atmega328P microcontroller. A 10 kilo ohm pull-up resistor is connected to the reset pin of the Atmega328P microcontroller. Additionally, a LED is connected to the PV1 digital pin D9 of the Atmega328P microcontroller through a 220 ohm current limiting resistor. This LED will be used to test the LED blinking code on the Atmega328P microcontroller. We will use the Arduino Nano board as a ISP programmer to upload code to the Atmega328P microcontroller. Therefore, we need to connect specific pins of the Atmega328P microcontroller to the Arduino Nano board. You can see that the reset pin of the Atmega328P microcontroller is connected to the digital pin D10 of the Arduino Nano board. The MOSI pin of the Atmega328P microcontroller is connected to the digital pin D11 of the Arduino Nano board. The MISO pin of the Atmega328P microcontroller is connected to the digital pin D12 of the Arduino Nano board, and the SCA pin of the Atmega328P microcontroller is connected to the digital pin D13 of the Arduino Nano board. Now open the Arduino IDE. After opening the Arduino IDE, open your browser and search for Arduino Mini Core install. Then open the GitHub page I have already searched for and opened the GitHub page of Mini Core. I will provide this link in the description so you can directly access the GitHub page from the link given in the description. Now scroll down and you will see a URL under the How to Install section. Copy this URL and open the Arduino IDE. Go to File, then Preferences, and paste the URL into the Additional Boards Manager URLs field. If you already have any URLs in the Additional Boards Manager URLs field, you can separate them with a comma. After the comma, paste the new URL. Once you have pasted the URL, click OK. Now go to Tools, then Board and select Board Manager. Search for MiniCore. You will see MiniCore by MCU Dude. Install it. I have already installed it. Before uploading code to the Atmega328P microcontroller, we need to upload the Arduino ISP code to the Arduino Nano board so it can function as a programmer. Now connect the Arduino Nano board to the PC using a USB cable. After connecting, go to File, then Examples and select Arduino ISP. Open the Arduino ISP code. After opening the code, select the correct board and port. Once you will selected the board and port, choose AVR ISP MKLL as the programmer. After this, upload the code to the Arduino Nano board by clicking the upload button in the Arduino IDE. Now connect the Arduino Nano board to the PC using a USB cable. Now go to File, then Examples, then Basics and select Blink. Since we have connected the LED to the PV1 pin of the Atmega328P microcontroller and in Arduino, the PV1 pin corresponds to digital pin D9, we need to replace LED underscore built-in with digital pin 9. After changing the pin number, save the code. I am saving this code as a test. Now go to Board, then select MiniCore and select the Atmega328 microcontroller. Select the correct board and choose Arduino as a ISP under the programmer. Now click on the Burn bootloader to burn the bootloader to the Atmega328P microcontroller. After burning the bootloader, go to Sketch and click on Upload using Programmer. Now you will see the code is compiling. After some time you will see that the code is uploaded. Once the code is uploaded, you will notice the LED connected to the Atmega328P microcontroller is blinking. If you liked this video, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch our upcoming interesting tutorials.